Online shopping, office work, smart home devices, we're already inseparable from the internet. But data breaches and hacker attacks lurk quietly. In fact, cybersecurity is like building a house. Every step holds the key code. The foundation of cybersecurity is the basic network architecture. A stable and reasonable architecture, including network protocols and device layout, provides reliable support for subsequent security measures. Security devices like firewalls and VPNs are the high-quality bricks that reinforce the foundation. Shoddy devices will only make the defense line collapse at the first touch. The framework of cybersecurity is a layered protection system. A sound system architecture includes multi-layered protection mechanisms covering the network layer, system layer, application layer, and data layer. All layers operate in synergy to build a complete protection system. Core technologies such as encryption and firewalls are the load-bearing beams. Without them, the entire security system will be distorted. The decoration of cybersecurity refers to detailed protection measures. Identity authentication is like the lock on a house door, preventing strangers from breaking in. Access control is like a protective railing, limiting the scope of operations. And data transmission encryption is like the insulation layer of wires, preventing information leakage. A house isn't maintenance-free once built, and cybersecurity requires even more regular maintenance. Regular vulnerability scanning is like a house inspection. Timely patching fixes vulnerabilities. Updating security policies in response to evolving threats ensures the defense line remains strong forever.
Visit AnySecura.com to learn more about data loss prevention solutions, protecting your business and empowering your security.